In this video, I'm going to show you some footage I shot with the Canon EOS M Magic Lantern 14-bit RAW. I was also using the Helios, the 44-2 Helios with the 7 Artisan 25mm all manual lenses. Stay tuned. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm predominantly a mobile filmmaker, and I also film here with the Canon EOS M. So if you guys are into that, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm not new to filmmaking, but I am new to filming with a camera with full manual lenses. This location is an aquarium I've been to several times where I've shot with my cell phone, and I've gotten some really good footage out of there, so I knew what to expect. But this was the first time I ever went in shooting with a Canon with a full manual lens, and it was quite difficult for me. It was first time. Again, focusing was quite difficult. The exposure, trying to get the proper ISO. I bounced between 200 and 800 back and forth there before I really should have just kind of like threw it in auto mode and let it see what it does, but I didn't do that. I kept everything, like I said, at 200, 800, and my toughest part was, again, just trying to get focus. I didn't have an external monitor. I just used the back of the actual Canon there, so I had focus peaking options on, which helped a little bit. But I noticed with the Helios, I did miss quite a few focuses, and even with the Helios, I did notice a lot of aberration on the edges between some of the images. But hey, you know, that's just part of the vintage lens. But it was great. It was a great learning experience. So enough of my jibber jab. I'll show you guys some of the footage and we'll talk after. So this was just a quick little video just to show you some of the footage that I was able to get out of the Canon. And to all my mobile filmmakers out there who think these videos don't really help them, everything I learned how to do with this camera and these manual lenses, I've learned from filming with my cell phone in full manual mode. So I preach it all the time. Get away from audio, switch up to full manual, because when you go down in the future later on, you get a camera or something like this, you'll know how to operate your shutter speed, you'll know how to operate your ISO and your aperture and all that, because you've done it digitally on the cell phone. It's pretty much the same principles. So switch off that auto mode and start using the manual mode and keep filming. It doesn't matter if you're using a camera, a GoPro, a cell phone. If you love filming and enjoy it, get out there and do it all the time. That's the only way you'll get better. So if you guys enjoyed the look or the LUT, I got a LUT down below in the description. You can grab it for free. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Equipment list, all that jibber jabber is down below in the description. Patrick Levar. Again, let me know down in the description or the comments, what are you guys using to film with? And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.